So good morning, Chaffin. Cheers. It's Tuesday. It's the 26th of the 1st, 2020. There's my arms today. You might see some of me today. Okay, so today we're looking at adding, using column addition, 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Remember, the 3-digit numbers go first and then the 2-digit numbers go underneath them, okay? And specifically, we're looking at regrouping the tens column today. Okay, so that's kind of an example of what you'll get. 3-digit number added to a 2-digit number. Turn it into a column addition sum, and you must do that. Don't try and add it up this way, okay? I've labelled my columns, hundreds, tens, units, ones column. That's exactly the same. The units and the ones are the same. We call them the ones now, just to make it easier. I put my numbers in, and then I'm going to add up, okay? So remember, the units column won't change, or the ones column won't change. Specifically, we're looking at the tens column and what happens, okay, to that column today. Okay, so notice how and where you write your 2-digit number. It needs to be 74 is made up of 7 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so that's how you write it. It's not made up of any hundreds. If you need to, put your space saver in, your 0, just to make sure that you're not adding up or putting it in the wrong place. But you should now all be able to put your 2-digit number in the correct place because it's made up of 7 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so key, get it in the right place. Add up your ones column. 4 and 4 is 8. Nothing to regroup there. Tens column, 3 add 7 is 10. Okay, so 10 tens are 100. So look what I've done down here. 70 at 30 equals 100. We should all be happy with that. Okay, this represents how many tens are in that number. This represents how many tens are in that number. Okay, so what we say to ourselves is, now we have got 10 tens. Okay, I literally regroup. Okay, so now there are 10 tens equals 100. Okay, which means there are 0 tens in 100. But 100 in 100, okay? So it's exactly what we've been doing before. We regroup, okay? So 70 at 30 is 100, okay? The 1 represents 100, now goes under the correct column, okay? And that's what I add onto any other number in that hundreds column to get my final answer. So it's 3, add the 1. When I've added it, I'm going to cross it off so that I'm not going to add it again. So 300 add 100 is 400, and I just write the number 4 to represent there are 400s. Okay, I don't write 400 in here because otherwise the answer will be wrong. I just write the number that it represents. Okay, it represents 4 because it's 400. Okay, so really straightforward. It's just building on what we've done before. The only difficulty is making sure you get your 2-digit number in the correct place. Okay, so notice where, okay, it goes. Tens column, ones column, because it's a 2-digit number, okay? That's the key. Get it in the right place, and all it is just adding up our columns again and regrouping where we need to. Okay, so have a go at those. Best of luck.